Hey YouTube, welcome to Kid TV. If you aren't new, welcome back best friend. As you can see by the title, today's video is a cook with me. I'm going to be showing y'all this super easy TikTok recipe called cracked chicken pasta. Now I don't know why it's called cracked chicken, but I promise you there's none in it at all. I guess they call it cracked chicken because it's addicting. I don't know, but let's get into this video. So the ingredients you will need is the real bacon bits. Not the other kind, you want the real bacon bits. You're going to use the entire 3-ounce bag. You're going to need some seasoned salt, Hidden Valley Ranch seasoning, some Colby Jack shredded cheese, parsley flakes, garlic powder, rotini pasta, 12 ounces of cream cheese, black pepper, 2 cans of cream of chicken, 1 can of chicken broth. For this recipe, you're going to need about 3 to 4 chicken breasts. I use about a pound of chicken tenderloins in this video, so you can use that as well. Lastly, you can also use some Creole seasoning, but I'm not a lover of spicy food, so I didn't use it in this video. Alright, so the first thing you're going to do after making sure your chicken is good and clean, you're going to either air fry, grill, bake, or boil your chicken. However you want to cook your chicken is completely up to you. I'm going to insert a clip on how to season your chicken and how to air fry it because that is the only way I saw on that TikTok video. I'm actually going to boil my chicken, and honey, it tastes amazing this way too. But you just want to add your seasonings, your seasoned salt, your ranch seasoning, garlic powder, black pepper, and a Creole seasoning if you want to before you cook it. Since I'm boiling mine, I will do all this afterwards. So while my chicken is cooking, I'm going to go ahead and boil some water for my pasta. Once it reaches a boil, I'm going to let my pasta cook for 9 to 11 minutes. Or you can cook yours however long it says on the box. So I'll boil my chicken for 25 minutes. The next step is the shredded chicken. I'm just using a fork and scissors since it's still hot. Now you're going to add in 2 cans of cream of chicken, 1 can of chicken broth, then you're going to stir really well. Add 12 ounces of cream cheese, about 1 ounce of ranch seasoning, add the whole pack of real bacon bits, stir all of that really well. Then you're going to add the chicken mixture in with the pasta. After lightly greasing your baking pan, add the mixture to it and add the Colby Jack shredded cheeses. Add you some parsley flakes. Then you're going to bake it in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes on 385 degrees. And that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is so good, y'all. It is a must try. Anybody that tries this will love it. Thank y'all so much for watching. Hit the thumbs up button or let me know in the comments below if you like these type of videos. Talk to y'all for the next one. Bye.